Now let's talk about how to replace your RedotPay virtual card. RedotPay offers a paid card replacement service. Your first replacement costs $5. Any replacements after that will cost $10 each. Also, there must be at least 31 days between each replacement. Here's how to do it. First, open the RedotPay app. Go to Card, then Settings, and select Replace Card. Next, tap Pay to pay the $5 replacement fee. Once the payment is completed, your card will be updated. Your card number will stay the same, but your CVV and expiration date will change. There are a few important things to keep in mind. Rewards cannot be used to pay for card replacements, so make sure you have enough balance in your account. After submitting the replacement request, it usually takes about 5 to 10 minutes for the update to go through if your card is connected to any merchants or subscriptions. Make sure to go back to those platforms and update the new CVV and expiration date. This will help avoid any failed payments. And that's it. That's how you replace your RedotPay virtual card.